positive energy you will need for this school year. Let's start developing good vibes by assessing how fit our body is. Continue watching and I will tell you how. I am Teacher Rozdale and I will be taking you through the different physical fitness tests. Stay tuned! Moving on, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to undertake physical activity and conduct physical fitness assessment together with a family member or a school peer. Physical fitness refers to the ability of your body systems to work together efficiently to allow you to be healthy and perform activities of daily living. This pandemic took much of our freedom in doing most of our usual exercises, so I really am hoping that this lesson will help you get back on track. Let's start! The Physical Fitness Test, or PFT, is a set of procedures intended to determine a student's level of physical fitness. It is divided into two categories: health-related components and skill-related components. In health-related components are cardiovascular fitness, muscular strength and endurance, flexibility, and body composition are tested, while in skill-related component are agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed are tested. Under each fitness components are specific exercises which will measure how fit you are. Refer to your learning activity sheet for these exercises and the detailed procedure on how to do each exercise properly. For more references though, watch these videos on how to properly perform the exercises you are required to do.
Step test. The purpose of step test is to measure our endurance to work for 3 minutes. To do this, we need a stopwatch, a bench, and our resting heart rate. To get the resting heart rate, first, you need to locate your pulse. You can do it on your neck or on your wrist. Count the pulse beat for 10 seconds and multiply it by 6 to get 1 minute.
To do 3-minute step test, you need to stand at least 1 foot away from the step or bench with trunk erect and eyes looking straight ahead. The first step of the sequence should be alternate. At the signal go, step up and down the bench for 3 minutes at the rate of 96 beats per minute. One step consists of 4 beats. Up with the left foot, that's the first count. Up with the right foot, that's the second count. Down with the left foot, that's the third count. Down with the right foot, that's the fourth count. Observe proper breathing. Immediately after the exercise, stand and locate your pulse. And at the signal, start to get your heart rate. To get the heart rate, count the pulse beat for 10 seconds and multiply it by 6. For the scoring, record the 60-second heart rate after the activity.
Push up.
To do push-up, first, lie down on the mat, face down in a standard push-up position. Palms on the mat about shoulder width, fingers pointing forward, and legs straight, parallel, and slightly apart with the toes supporting the feet. For boys, straighten the arms, keeping the back and knees straight, then lower the arms until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbows. And for girls, with the knees in contact with the floor, straighten the arms, keeping the back straight, then lower the arms until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbows. Perform as many repetitions as possible, maintaining a cadence of 20 push-ups per minute.
Basic plank.
To do basic plank, first, assume a push-up position. Rest body on forearms with palms and fingers flat on the floor. Elbows are aligned with the shoulders. Legs are straight with ankles, knees, and thighs touching together. Support weight on forearms and toes. Make sure that your back is flat. Head, neck, and spine are in a straight line. Keep abdominal muscle engaged and contracted. Do not let stomach drop or allow hips to rise. Holding the plank position beyond 90 seconds is considered unnecessary.
Sit and reach.
To do sit and reach, First, you need to sit on the floor with back, head, and shoulders flat on the wall. Feet are 12 inches apart. Interlock thumbs and position the tip of the fingers on the floor without bending the elbows. After the partner has positioned the 0 point of the tape measure or meter stick, you may slide your hand slowly forward without jerking. Try to reach the farthest distance as possible without bending the knees. Then your partner will record the distance. You need to do it twice. Bouncing or jerking movement is not allowed. Hexagon agility test. There are different ways on how you can make an hexagon. First, get a paper and cut it into strips. Each strip has a length of 18 inches for high school and 12 inches for elementary. After you cut the strips, lay it down on the floor and make an hexagon shape, 6 sides. After you assemble it, put tape on each end of the strip of paper. To do hexagon agility test, first, stand with both feet together inside the hexagon facing the marked starting side. At the signal go, using the ball of the feet with arms bent in front, jump clockwise over the line, then back over the same line inside the hexagon. After that, you rest for 1 minute. You need to repeat the test again, but now moving counterclockwise. Start balance stand test. To do a start balance stand test, first the performer need to remove the shoes. Stand straight and place hands on the hips. Position the right foot on the side of the left knee. Raise the left heel to balance on the ball of the foot. Maintain balance as long as possible. Do the same procedure with the opposite foot. There shall be 3 trials. To do juggling, we need to use sipa. The main objective is to hit the sipa, rubber band, or similar local material alternately with the right and left palm upward. The height of the material being tossed should be at least above the head. There shall be 3 trials. Standing long jump. To do standing long jump, first, stand behind the takeoff line with feet parallel to each other. The tips of the shoes should not go beyond the line. Bend knees and swing arms backward once. Then swing arms forward as you jump, landing on both feet. Try to jump as far as you can. Perform the test twice in succession. To test reaction time, we need to do stick drop test. To do stick drop test, first, sit on an armchair or chair next to the table so that the elbow and the lower arm rest on the desk comfortably. Place the heel of the hand on the desk so that only the fingers and thumb extend beyond. Fingers and thumb should at least 1 inch apart. Catch the ruler with the thumb and index finger without lifting the elbow from the desk as the partner drops the stick. Hold the stick while the partner read the measurement. Do this twice. To test speed, we need to do 40-meter run. To do 40-meter sprint, first you need to have a running area with a measurement of 40 meters. It should also have a starting line and a finish line. At the signal ready, the performer should be at the starting line, assume a crouch position, and both hands should not go beyond the line. At the signal get set, the performer's hip move upward by extending the legs. And at the signal go, run to the finish line as fast as you can.
I hope you watched the videos and observed how to appropriately perform the exercises. Now, open your learning activity sheet on pages 8 to 11 so you can do the required tasks. Always read the instructions for each activity before answering. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to contact your teacher. That's it for now. See you again on the next episode of Learning only here at DepEd MPT.